Engaging in anal sex can have several benefits for individuals and couples who choose to include it as part of their sexual repertoire. Here are some detailed benefits. Before continue, please hit the subscribe button for upcoming videos. Thank you. 1. Enhanced intimacy and trust. Deepened connection for many couples. Exploring new sexual activities can strengthen their bond. Engaging in anal sex requires a high level of trust and communication, which can enhance emotional intimacy, variety, and excitement. Introducing new experiences can keep a sexual relationship exciting and prevent it from becoming monotonous. To physical pleasure. Unique sensations. The anus is densely packed with nerve endings, which can lead to pleasurable sensations. For some people, anal stimulation can result in intense orgasms. Prostate stimulation for men. Anal sex or anal play can stimulate the prostate gland, often referred to as the male G-spot, potentially leading to powerful orgasms. 3. Sexual exploration and satisfaction. Understanding desires. Experimenting with different forms of sexual expression, including anal sex, can help individuals better understand their own bodies and desires, leading to greater overall sexual satisfaction. Improved sexual communication. Discussing and negotiating. Anal sex can improve overall sexual communication skills, making it easier to talk about other aspects of sexual health and preferences. For health benefits. Muscle toning regularly. Engaging in anal sex can help tone the muscles in the anal region, which might be beneficial for some people in maintaining good muscle health. Stress relief. Like other forms of sexual activity, no sex can lead to the release of endorphins and other feel-good hormones, which help reduce stress and promote a sense of well-being. 5. Increased knowledge and sexual competence. Enhanced sexual skills. Learning how to give and receive anal pleasure can broaden one's sexual skill set, leading to a more fulfilling sex life. Open-mindedness. Try. Anal sex can contribute to a more open-minded approach to sexuality, breaking down taboos and fostering a healthier, more accepting attitude toward diverse sexual practices. Precautions and considerations. While there are benefits, it's important to approach anal sex with caution and care to ensure a positive experience. Use of lubrication. The anus does not self-lubricate, so using a high-quality lubricant is essential to prevent discomfort and reduce the risk of tearing. Communication and consent. Clear communication and mutual consent are crucial. Both partners should feel comfortable and willing. Hygiene practices. Maintaining good hygiene is important to prevent infections. Cleaning the anal area thoroughly before sex and using condoms can reduce health risks. Gradual progression in slowly, and using fingers or small toes before progressing to penetration with a penis can help the body acclimate and reduce discomfort. In conclusion, while anal sex can offer a range of benefits, from enhanced intimacy to physical pleasure, it's essential to practice it safely and consensually. Open communication, proper preparation, and mutual respect are key to a positive and fulfilling experience. Certainly, here are 5 additional benefits of anal sex. 6. Exploration of new sensations. Expanding pleasure zones. Exploring anal sex allows individuals to discover and enjoy erogenous zones, broadening their sexual experiences. Heightened arousal. The novelty and variety can lead to heightened arousal and excitement, enriching one's overall sexual life. 7. Increased libido. Boosted sexual desire. Engaging in different forms of sexual activities, including anal sex, can boost sexual desire and drive by adding variety to the sexual routine. Renewed interest. For some couples, Trying something new can rekindle interest in sex and make them feel more sexually adventurous. 8. Strengthening relationship bonds. Mutual exploration. Participating in anal sex can be a way for partners to awe and satisfy each other's fantasies, creating a deeper bond, teamwork, and patience. The process often requires patience and collaboration, enhancing the partnership dynamic and fostering a sense of teamwork. 9. Development of trust and vulnerability. Building trust. Engaging in anal sex can build trust between partners, as it involves a significant level of vulnerability and reliance on each other for comfort and safety. Emotional intimacy. Sharing such intimate experiences can foster greater emotional intimacy and understanding within the relationship. 10. Improved sexual health awareness. Awareness of sexual health. Engaging in anal sex responsibly requires knowledge about sexual health practices, which can lead to overall better sexual health awareness. Prevention of STIs. Discussions around anal sex often involve talking about the importance of protection and hygiene, reinforcing good practices to prevent sexually transmitted infections. STIs. Additional considerations. When considering anal sex, it's important to keep in mind several practical and health-related factors to ensure a positive experience. Preparation and comfort. Taking time for proper preparation, including relaxation and adequate foreplay, can make the experience more enjoyable. Communication. Ongoing dialogue between partners about comfort levels and boundaries is essential. Aftercare. Providing aftercare, such as comforting and soothing each other post-experience, helps in maintaining emotional and physical well-being overall. Anal sex can offer a diverse range of benefits, from enhanced physical pleasure to stronger emotional connections. Approaching it with openness, respect, and proper preparation can lead to a rewarding and satisfying sexual experience for both partners. On me.